What is up, ninjas? In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can make $1 to $10 per click. Yes, per click. And really, it's just that easy. Alright, welcome into my screen, beautiful ninjas. So this video, we're going to be talking about 3 ways, 1 way in particular, and 2 kind of ways that are just worth mentioning for people that have a ton of time and need money, are as follows. CreativeLive is an awesome new platform. As you can see, they've raised, $25 million. Red Bull joined the roster, right? Adobe, Microsoft, GoPro, and a bunch of big names. And this company has literally been doing some pretty interesting stuff recently. What they do is they basically run like a, answer your creative calling. If you've ever wanted to get great, sell your work, start a business, the world's most creative instructors will teach you how, right? So this is kind of like a Udemy platform mixed with like a YouTube, and it has large backers. It has, a ton of money funding it. And so they have a ton of money really to get this off the board, and they have some big backers. And so the reason that we're talking about CreativeLive is because they have a really interesting affiliate program. As you guys know, most affiliate programs actually are, you sign up as an affiliate, and if someone buys something through your link, you get a percentage, right? But this affiliate program is actually very unique. And the reason for that is you get $1 every time a new registration sign up occurs, right? That doesn't say purchase. That doesn't mean that somebody has to go buy $100 worth of stuff for you to get $1. This literally means that every new registration sign up, you get paid $1 and you get 20% of all of the customer sales associated with that person's sign up, right? So if they sign up and then they buy something for $100, you get $20 of that sale as well. So it's a really, really crazy way to actually make money. And you can just have all of your friends and family and everybody sign up for this, and you get paid $1 per every single person that actually signs up, right? And another awesome thing you can do is you get $10 for each referred affiliate. And so in this link, in this video, I'm going to have my affiliate link. If you want to sign up as an affiliate, I get paid $10, right? And this is a big disclaimer right here, so pay attention. Yes, it is an affiliate link. Yes, I will get paid $10 if you sign up to become an affiliate, but that's not at all the reason for this video. The reason for this video is because you can become an affiliate. You can invite your friends to become an affiliate, right? You can literally refer people to become affiliates, and every time you do that, and it's like a unique IP and it's a real person, right, and they're actually signing up, you get $10 for each referred affiliate. And that does not mean that they have to actually buy stuff. It literally means that they sign up as an affiliate and start affiliating. So if you actually use this right, $1 for every new registration, no purchases necessary, nothing, right? And then 20% of all revenue shares for new customer sales, which is awesome too, because if somebody signs up, buys $100 worth of stuff, you get $20 of that plus the $1 to sign up. And then the $10 per each referred affiliate is absolutely crazy. So what I would recommend you guys to do is sign up as an affiliate. If you want to use my affiliate link, do it. If you don't, right, just Google search creativelive.com and sign up as an affiliate. This video is 0% me trying to make money. It's literally teaching you guys how you can make money by spreading the word about this website that has enormous backers like Microsoft and Adobe and these huge software companies. So that, guys, is method 1, right? CreativeLive. It's an incredible platform itself. If you want to actually sign up yourself and learn, they have a ton of different types of classes here, right? Photo and video, money and life, art and design, craft and maker, music and audio, and they have all different types of things like money and finance, lifestyle, self-improvement, lots of different stuff, entrepreneurship that you can actually learn. Or, if you really enjoy creating content, then you could become a content creator for this site. They have live stuff too. This is a really, really interesting site, and they have an even more interesting affiliate program. Literally get paid just to refer people to sign up. It's crazy, right? This is actually how it used to be for Shopify too. Shopify's affiliate program, when they first came out, was they'd pay you a 200% bounty, right? Even if the person didn't end up paying. So for every new person that signed up to Shopify, even for a free trial, they would give you 200% of that first month. So if it costed $29, they'd give you $58, even if that person never paid. So that's what really heavily funded startups do. Because I remember Shopify, when it first came out, they'd give you a 200% bounty for every person that signed up under your affiliate link. So if someone signed up for a $29 plan, a free trial, right, a 14-day free trial, Shopify would literally pay you 200% of that sign-up cost. So they'd pay you $29 times 2 or $58, even if that person that you referred never paid, right? So Shopify was literally hemorrhaging, losing a ton of money, but they did that because they wanted to become the market leader, and they did that, and it paid off in the form of billions of dollars of market cap, right? So it's what these heavily funded startups do. It's the same thing that PayPal did. When PayPal first started, they were giving out $10 per each referred user that you signed up to PayPal, right? So people were, signing up all of their friends and family, and their friends and family started to do the same thing, and PayPal spent, millions and millions of dollars for this to happen, but then they became the market leader, right? And now 10 years, 20 years, however long it's been later, PayPal is still literally like synonymous with online money, and they've by far become the market leader. Did they have to sacrifice a ton of money up front to do that? Yes. Was it worth it? Absolutely. So that's what CreativeLive is doing right now. $1 for every new registration sign up, $10 for each referred affiliate. So if you want to be an affiliate for CreativeLive, my affiliate link is down below in the description. If you don't want to use it, right, if you think that the reason I'm doing this is to make money, go and Google search it yourself, right? Don't use my affiliate link. Please don't use it if you think that that's what I'm trying to do. I promise you it is not what I'm trying to do. So the last 2 ways, and these 2 ways I'm going to admit are not the best ways in the world, but I did a lot of research. A lot of people have been asking me about how to make money, filling out surveys and doing things like that. There's only 2 somewhat legitimate ways to make money with surveys. The rest of them are complete trash. I looked on Trustpilot, I looked on Better Business Bureau, I looked all around the review sites and testimonials and things like that, and there's 2 different ways to actually make money doing surveys and filling out forms and things like that. Survey Junkie, from what I've read and what I've seen from testimonials and reviews, and I did a bunch of research for you guys, people are saying that if you do a good job, you can make about $12 an hour just sitting behind your computer and filling out surveys. So $12 an hour to fill out surveys about brands and about how logos look and about how websites and random things look and just your opinion. You can literally receive $12 to do that. Swag Bucks is the other one. They do give a bonus. What I've heard and what I've read about Swag Bucks is it's not worth it to do Swag Bucks for more than an hour or 2. If you do it for an hour or 2, you can make around like $10 to $20 an hour. But then after that, it starts getting lower, like $5 an hour. So if you have some extra time, sign up to Swag Bucks, right? Get your $10 bonus, maybe do it for an hour or 2 and then never do it again. It's very easy money if you have a lot of time and you want to make some money so you can start saving money to actually create a real business, guys. So that is CreativeLive, $1 for every new sign up, right? No purchase required, and $10 for each referred affiliate. If you guys want to sign up as an affiliate, my link is below. If you don't want to use my link, just Google it and then make all of your friends and all of your family and your uncle and your aunt and your dog sign up as affiliates using your link, guys. And so that is everything for this video. Obviously, I want you guys to be very, very clear here, right? This is not meant to be a full-time income source for the rest of your life. This is meant to save money, right? Every dollar that I'm making from this stuff, I'm literally saving so that I can actually invest it in a real business, a real source of full-time income like Amazon FBA, like Shopify, and like Facebook marketing agencies. And if you guys want to learn more about, any of those real kind of full-time income sources online, come over to my channel, check it out. I have a bunch of free resources for you guys to take a look at so you can learn how to actually do this stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm working hard to put out ways that anyone, anywhere can make money and save money so that you can actually start to be free and enjoy life as it was meant to be lived. So if you guys enjoyed this video, do me 3 very, very short favors. Smash the like button, leave a comment down below so that you can be entered to win our giveaway. We're giving away thousands of dollars of cash and prizes every single day. And as always, guys, I want you to literally karate chop the subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the little notification bell. So until next time, ninjas, happy hustling.